Hello everyone! It just occurred to me that there's another phonics game that I haven't showed you, and it's very effective for putting words together, taking them apart, and it is just stuff I have lying around the house, so maybe you'll find it useful. I have here some paper cups, and I have written the sounds that we've been learning and need to practice on them. So there is ch. And this is mostly sat pen, but you can do as many sounds as you want. So it's basically just taking the cups out, and what my children like to do is try to come up with a word, and then they really enjoy trying to get you to read it to them, or So I've got here. I hope the light's good enough for this. There's choke. Choke, that's phonetically plausible. We talk about phonetically plausible in phonics, which is like, if it's not spelled properly, but the sounds are there, you just go, good job. They'll learn the nuances later. But at the moment, it's about, well done, you got that right. Well done is probably the best thing you can say. Well done, good job. Let's see, get another one. You could also challenge your child to spell a word that you have the sounds for. So let's see. I seem to have made loads of cups, and let's see. We could do. Where's the A? So you could just, for example, so many cups everywhere. You could, for example, just get them to do the word king, and then they'll have to go and rummage through all your cups and write the word. Oh. Is that king? That's not king. All right, so let me do it this way. I'm also, as you have probably noticed, not very good with my left and right, especially when it's reversed on a camera. King. So that's a really nice one. You can challenge them to give you a word. They can put words together. You can make fun of sounding them out. And it's a really good way to practice, again, those digraphs and trigraphs, which we have covered in school, in class. I don't know, what is it? We've covered, but we have not had the opportunities to reinforce around the classroom. So we're not, normally when I introduce a sound, every time we come across it for the next 2 weeks, whether we're talking about animals, whether we're talking about, playtime, whether we're talking about, I'll point it out, where we see it and we reinforce that all the time in a very natural way. And it's a bit strange to me to just throw these sounds out there and not be able to reinforce the learning around the children's lives in the classroom. So this is one way that you can practice those digraphs and trigraphs and graphemes, and also just the process of putting words together and taking them apart. Gets them thinking about all these things. Anyway, I hope you found that useful, and I will talk to you soon.